Hello everyone. In previous video, we have discussed about the staff section. Today we will discuss about the center settings. In center settings, if I click on the center settings, so the first option which came is settings. In this particular option, you can create the all over profile of your gym. Your gym logo you can add, your gym name you can add, contact, email, WhatsApp address, each and everything, including the terms and conditions, you can add in this particular section. Okay, so this is all the basic details section is. If I go on the tax and legals, you can add the GST of the company, GST number, and the business name in this particular option. And by clicking on the save button, you can also save the options and the details for this one. If I go to the social connections, you can mention the Instagram ID on this particular option and the Facebook username as I can take like this one. You can also mention your YouTube channel in this particular section, the directions, the website if you have any, and just click on the save button to save each and every detail. As you can see, successfully updated. So that's all the center settings are. This is all the center settings. The three aspect which I have covered can also be accessed from here, like social connections and the tax and legals. Hope you have liked this video and thank you for choosing GymForce. Have a great day.